Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some more about arc. In the last video we have discussed about the length of the arc and also we derived the formula in order to get the value of the length of arc. We have also solved the question related to this topic. Today we shall discuss some more about arc. Today the topic that we are going to discuss will based on area of sector formed by an arc. Okay student, so I hope that you will understand everything whatever I will teach you today. So let's start our today's topic, that is the area of a sector of a circle. Area of a sector of a circle. Let's see. Since here we are going to find out the area of a sector of a circle, so that consider a minor circle, consider a minor circle ACB, which is formed by the radii OA and OB. Okay, here we write consider a minor sector, a minor sector ACB formed by the radii OA and OB. Okay, if the set RACB subtend an angle X, subtend an angle X degree at the center, then this angle is called sector angle, okay, of the sector OAB. Then we can write the formula for area of sector of a circle. Area of sector is equal to pi r square upon 360 degree multiplied by x degree. Okay, so this formula will use to solve the problem based on area of sector. Okay, here we needed to derive the formula. How it come? We just need this formula in order to solve the question. Okay, so we have to just know about this formula and no more. So let's understand it once again. Here we have to find out the area of the sector ACB by using the formula pi r square on 360 degree into x degree. As we know that pi r square is the area of the whole circle. Okay. Therefore, we can write if the as we know that if the area is whole is pi r square, then the angle which is formed at the center is 360 degree. If the angle is 180 degree, that is the half of the 360 degree, then it is obvious that its area will also be half. Similarly, if the area, if the angle is x degree, then its area will be x time of the whole area, and hence we can write the area as pi r square upon 360 into x square. Okay student, so I hope that it is clear to everyone. Okay, now let's solve some question which is based on this concept. A sector of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. A sector of a circle of radius 6 centimeter has a sector angle has a sector angle 35 degree. 35 degree. Then find the area of the sector. Then find the area of the sector. This is the given question. The question says that a sector of a circle of radius 6 centimeter has a sector angle 35 degree. Okay, so let's draw a circle. Here the radius is 6 centimeter and the sector angle is of 35 degree. Then we have to find the area of the shaded region. We have to find the area of shaded region. Okay, so let's see how we find. We know that area of sector is equal to pi r square upon 360 degree into sector angle. Okay, now just put the value. We get 22 upon 7, which is the value of pi, multiplied by r, that is the 6 into 6 upon 360, multiplied by 35. 35 is the sector angle. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. 6 6 is 36 and 36 10 is 100, 360. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 2 1 is 2 and 11 2 is 22. Therefore the area is 11 centimeter square. Therefore 11 centimeter square is the right answer. Therefore 11 centimeter is the right answer. Okay students, so in this way we shall find out the area of a sector by using the formula pi r square upon 360 multiplied by sector angle. Okay, now let's see the solution once again, how we have solved this. So here the given question is a sector of a circle of radius 6 centimeter has a sector of angle 35 degree. Then find the area of the sector. So as you can see in the figure, you will see that the radius is 6 centimeter and the sector angle is 35 degree. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so we know that the area of sector is equal to pi r square upon 360 multiplied by sector angle. Now just put the value and solve, you will get your result. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next question. A circle of radius 8 centimeter of radius 8 centimeter has has an arc of 6 of length 16 centimeter. Has an arc of length 16 centimeter. Find the area of the sector cut off. Find the area of the sector cut off by the arc. Okay, students. So this is the given question. Question look like very few complicated, but there is nothing. First of all, we shall find out the length of arc using the previous formula that we have studied in the last video, and after that we apply the current formula that we studied recently. Okay, so first of all, we shall find out the length of the arc. Okay, so we shall write the formula. We know that we know that our length of arc is equal to 2 pi r upon 360 into x. Okay. So now put the value. The length of arc is given as 16 centimeters. Therefore, we write here 16, which is equal to 2 pi. The value of 8, that is the radius, is given 8 centimeters. So we write 8 upon 360 multiplied by x. In the question, the value of x is not defined, therefore we shall not write the value of x. Also, here we can see that there is no any number which is divisible by 7. Therefore, we needed to write down the value of pi. So, leave pi as it is. Now, transfer this quantity to left hand side in order to find the value of x. Therefore, we write x is equal to 16 multiplied by 360 upon 2 pi into 8. Okay, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 2 and 2 cancelled out. So here we get the value of x is equal to 360 upon 5. This is the value of the angle which is formed at the center, and it is called central angle. Okay. Now here we have the radius and the sector angle, so we can easily find out the area of sector. So we shall write here area of sector is equal to pi r square upon 360 degree into x degree. Okay, now put the value. We shall get, leave pi as it is. The value of r is 8 into 8 upon 360 degree multiplied by the value of x we have found here, that is 360 upon pi. So write here 360 upon pi. Pi and pi cancelled out. 360 and 360 is cancelled out. So here we get 8 into 8 is equal to 64 centimeter square. Therefore, 64 centimeter square is the required area of sector of the given circle. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let us see the solution once again. So here the given question is a circle of radius 8 centimeter has an arc of length 16 centimeter. Then find the area of the sector cut off by the arc. Since we know that in order to find the value of area of the sector, we need the sector angle. But in the question, sector angle is not defined. Therefore, first of all, we shall find the value of sector angle. Since the length of arc is given and the radius also given, so we can find out the value of sector angle using the concept of length of arc. So here we apply length of arc is equal to 2 pi r upon 360 into x. Now put the value as given here. 2 pi into r, the value of r, that is the radius, is given 8 centimeter. We write here upon 360 into x. Since in this question there is no any number that can be divisible by 7 or 22, therefore we need not to write the value of pi, so we leave pi as it is. Now transfer this quantity to left hand side in order to get the value of x. We have transferred, and after some few simplification we get the value of x as 360 upon pi. 360 upon pi is the sector angle which is required in order to find the area of sector. So here now we use the formula area of sector is equal to pi r square upon 360 into x degree. Now put the value pi, leave pi as it is because we needed to write the value of pi. And the next r square, that is 8 into 8 upon 360 multiplied by the value of x, that is 360 upon pi. So we put here 360 upon pi. And after little simplification we get 8 into 8 is equal to 64 centimeter square, which is the required result. Okay students, so I hope that it is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then mention a comment in the comment section. I will clear in my next video. We shall meet in the next video with new concept. Till then, goodbye.